everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be talking about 100% organic cold press rosehip seed oil by the Ordinary. Here I have the 30 ml of the bottle and I just wanted to show you how the bottle looks like. And in this video we are going to be in detail talking about different uses of rosehip seed oil on our skin and also on hair. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a glass bottle and there is a rubber dropper attached to it, and when you open this you also have a glass dropper that will let out a little bit of product when you're pressing it. Everything is made up from glass, which is really good when you are storing oils, and you can see that this is a UV protectant bottle, which is again really good in keeping the shelf life of the product. And I like that it comes in the light protectant bottle because not all the oils are stable in presence of UV rays or else sunlight. So talking about this particular ingredient, that is the 100% rosehip seed oil. So rose is high in antioxidant property. It is used in Ayurveda for a lot of applications. Pure rose water, pure rose as an ingredient, rose petals as ingredients. So the innovative stuff about this is that it comes from the same source, that is rose flower, converting into fruit and then making the oil from those seeds. Now the benefits of this rosehip seed oil on the skin. Rosehip seed oil has omega-3 and omega-6 content, and also it has vitamin A, C, E. It also promotes collagen production onto the skin. Consistent use for a longer duration of time can reduce the fine lines appearance near your mouth and also near your eyes. I would say mostly because it repairs the dry patches and helps to give that lipid bond between the two skin cells. It helps with retaining the moisture and also improving the overall glow on the face. As it is an antioxidant, it also removes the free radical from your skin, which can promote aging. Not only on the skin, you can also apply it on the hair or to strengthen that hair follicle. Rosehip oil can be used as a scalp treatment, just applying rosehip onto your scalp and leaving it like for a longer duration of time, as it doesn't have any fragrance into it, so it's gonna be really good for sensitive skin types as well. Yes, rosehip oil is quite promising when it comes to repairing the skin, for reducing the signs of aging. It has to be used for a longer duration of time. You cannot expect results instantly. You need to use it at least for half a year, 6 months straight, and then you might see some results. As this rosehip seed oil is super light and it doesn't feel super greasy, it can be used on your skin as well as on your hair. If you're someone who has dandruff issues and your scalp is completely dry and you want something that is not super greasy but is also going to show some results, then you can use this one, as it is loaded with vitamin C as well as E, which has the powerful antioxidant property to scavenge out any free radicals, and it has vitamin A, which will help to strengthen your follicle and also promote the collagen production, which can overall improve the appearance of your hair and the hair follicles, strongly holding into your roots, and it will not fall out, and you might see a reduction in the hair fall as well. But these all are usually for long-term applications. Not in a month you might see some results, but it does reduce dandruff. 10 euros for 30 ml of product is like 1000 Indian rupees. That is a lot. Rather go for local brands of cold press organic rosehip seed oil, which will be cheaper and also will be in bigger volumes, like you might get it for 100 ml or 200 ml. But I'm pretty sure that in India or in other places, if you know some sellers who are quite reliable, then you might get bigger volume in less price. So I do feel that what they're offering here is too much of a price of what you can get. Will I purchase this again? I don't know, because I think I don't need to purchase expensive products from the Ordinary if I can find some other alternative homegrown company from India which can offer me the same thing that this company can offer in cheaper price and better volume. I'm gonna go for that company for sure. What are your thoughts about this product formulation? Do you think it's worth paying 10 euros for 30 ml of the oil? Or what do you guys think about it? Before, when I used to purchase this oil, I think this is my third bottle. Before it was, I think so I paid like 6 euros or 5 euros, as much as I remember. It was like 5 years ago when I was here in Europe, but now I see that the price is like crazy increased, and like 10 euros for 30 ml of product, which is just not gonna do its job in like a certain time. It's gonna take a lot of years of patience and applying this product constantly onto the skin. I don't know, I might not take this product on daily basis and spend so much money, right? So I'm not sure about, again, buying it for such a huge price range. So that is pretty much it about this product formulation. If there is any question, write down in the comment section below, and also make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell icon. Also follow me on my other social media handles. It helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow. I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Thank you very much for watching again. Bye.